Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article from My Electric Sparks.com, and basically it's stating that somehow they found the Foundation Series Cybertruck in front of the BYD facility, and there's a lot of speculation about it, so we're going to read it over and then see what it is. A Tesla Cybertruck was recently seen at a BYD facility in China, capturing the attention of the electric vehicle community and sparkling curiosity about the reasons behind its presence. This sighting has led to various speculations, particularly regarding BYD's interest in the Cybertruck's cutting-edge technology. The Cybertrucks, unveiled over 4 years ago, has been a subject of both admiration and criticism. Its futuristic design and advanced technology, such as the steer-by-wire system and the 48-volt electrical architecture, have impressed many. However, it has also faced backlash over build quality issues and reduced range when towing heavy loads. This is 100% true. So, if you're towing a lot, like 11,000 pound, expect your mile range to go down to half, like maybe 160. Despite these controversies, the Cybertruck has achieved significant sales, with Tesla delivering between 40 to 50,000 units, largely thanks to a backlog of over 1 million reservations. So yeah, they did have over a million reservations, but not too many people are willing to spend like additional 20,000 on top, right? Because if you're getting the Foundation Series, you're paying about $120,000. Right, so that's a lot of them. So I don't think they, even with over a million backlog, because of the reservations, a lot of people were at that time they locked in the price for 39,000, 69,000, right? Not close to 80,000 and over 100,000. So, however, the sighting of the Cybertruck at the BYD's facility suggests that the Chinese EV giant is keen on studying Tesla innovations. A recent uploaded video shows several individuals presumed to be BYD employees inspecting the Cybertruck's interior and exterior before driving inside the building. This model, identified as a Foundation Series unit by its white interior and wheels, provides BYD a closer look at Tesla Foundation design and technology. So this post is by someone's, I can't read the names on X, but at AHLNLJ. Instead, its Cybertrucks roll into BYD facility. Now that's a plot twist, and then here you can see that. We're not going to play the video there, but benchmarking, where companies purchase and study competitors' vehicles, is a standard practice in the automotive industry. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing with the phone industry. Any industry, right? Because people actually copy each other. That's part of life. And that's how they get innovated, and that's how they share all the innovations together, right? And then that's where all the companies sue one another for patent issues. But that's what it is. It allows automakers to gain insight into rival technology and design philosophies. In this case, BYD's examination of the Cybertruck could help them understand what makes Tesla pickup trucks stand out and apply similar innovation to their own vehicles. So this is going to be good. In a way, it's bad for Tesla, but in a way, it'd be good for consumers, because when there's innovation, when there's competitions, companies want to make their vehicles better and want to find out what the customers want about the vehicle. So it gives a consumer an advantage, because now instead of just only the Cybertruck, you have something that looks like a Cybertruck at an affordable price. So, which is good. But however, they might get sued by Tesla because of all the patent issues or whatever that is. If that is the case, if Tesla decides to sue, or if they actually violating all the patents. At this time, it's just all speculation. We do not know. All right. So another possibility is that BYD might be planning to reverse engineer the Cybertruck. So by disassembling the vehicle, BYD can analyze its powertrain, electrical system, and other technology components in details. This process could provide valuable knowledge for enhancing BYD's future EVs model, potentially addressing some of the Cybertruck's known weaknesses, such as build quality and towing range. Yeah, because again, they do this with any company, even airplanes, Airbus, Boeing's. Yeah, they do reverse engineer. If it's good, buy it, bring it back, strip it down, learn why is it so good, why is it so bad. Any defects like that, they will improve it, make it better, so that they won't have that on their vehicle. Although the pickup truck market in China is relatively small, the Cybertruck has generated considerable interest. During its tour in China, the vehicle attracted large crowds in multiple cities, reflecting the growing enthusiasm for Tesla's innovative design and technology. So, by all means, the Tesla Cybertruck, if you haven't seen it or if you see it on the street, it will catch your eye. Period. It's a truck that doesn't look like a truck. It's a truck that looks like, some people call it a trash can. But other people like saying like it's the future truck. It's like a UFO. It's like, what is that thing? You know what I mean? So consumers buy things that are weird to them or that are new to them. And, they don't want something that is very generic. All the trucks look the same. Then what's the point, right? They want to be unique. Despite this interest, Tesla has not yet announced plans to release the Cybertruck in China. However, receiving an automotive energy consumption label from China Ministry of Industry and Information Technology indicates that the vehicle could eventually enter the Chinese market. So I'm pretty sure the Cybertruck will get into the Chinese market because China are buying a lot of EVs. They're into the future and they love Tesla, all right? And the Cybertruck is no different. So eventually, it's just a matter of time that I'll get to it. The president of the Cybertruck at BYD's facility underscored the competitive nature of the EV industry. As the world's largest seller of the electric vehicles, BYD is evidently keen on keeping up with Tesla technology advancement. This kind of cross-company learning and competition is beneficial for consumers as it drives progressive in EV technology and affordability. I just mentioned about this, right? So BYD examination of the Cybertruck might lead to the development of a new EV model that incorporates some of the Tesla groundbreaking technology while addressing its shortcomings. Such a vehicle could provide stiff competition for the Cybertruck, particularly in the markets where BYD already has a strong presence. So this is that's pretty much just about this vehicle, guys. So if you're in China, you might be very well soon see maybe a year or two. You see BYD coming out with a truck similar to the Cybertruck. But again, this is very normal in any industry. People buy vehicle from one another or planes or phones, and then find out what's the good about that thing. So why is everyone's buying it? What can we do to improve it? What can we make ours a little bit better, different, and still have that same technology that, that people are wanting. So, once again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding about Tesla, you can always reach out to me. Currently, right now, you can. If you're getting a Tesla Model S, it will come with free supercharging. However, Tesla did raise the price $5,000. However, if you use my referral link, you can knock off $2,000, right? And if you're not into the buying Cybertrucks, Model X, or Model S, you can always get the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. Right now, Tesla is offering, I think it ends today, so 3%, 0% on the financing part. So you might want to take advantage of that. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.